back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me for the club, for date night, just whatever. You know, this look kind of reminds me of something I would do if I was going to the club or if I was going out tonight, or you know, whatever it may be. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I really wanted to film a makeup tutorial using the new GRWM Tan Lines palette. You guys, this palette is so pretty. Like, just look at this. So I'm going to be using Tide Pool and Driftwood, which is these two colors right here. And then I'm going to be using the Daisy Marquez palette. So yeah, let's just jump right in. So this is kind of like, I could say it's like a half cut crease, but I didn't really use concealer. I just used the Tide Pool shade, and then I smoked out the liner. So what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna take my concealer and just conceal my eyelid again. This eyebrow might or might not look weird. I don't know, okay? This eyebrow was giving me shit today, so if it looks weird, that's why. And then I'm gonna take this Luxie 121 brush. It's a mini tapered brush, and I'm just gonna pack Driftwood onto the lid. So I would call this like a going out type of look because it is kind of edgy and dark. So I would probably do this look if I was gonna go to the club, if I felt like doing my eyeshadow, or maybe like a date night look. This would be a cute little date night moment, you know? When I received this palette from GRWM, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty, you guys. Like, the colors are kind of odd in it, but in a sense, it looks good together. So I was like, I have to use this palette. But yeah, this brown kind of looks way lighter in the palette, but comes off way darker on your actual eyelid. Now I'm going to take the Morphe MB23 brush, which is a staple. You guys know I've been using this brush for years, and I'm just going to blend everything out. By the way, let me know if you guys want me to keep doing makeup tutorials, or if you're like, no Shelby, we're over this, because I don't know if makeup tutorials are still in. I don't really find myself watching that many makeup tutorials anymore. I really like watching like vlogs and just lifestyle videos these days, and I don't really know what you guys want, so let me know, because I definitely love filming vlogs. Like, I love doing vlogs. I love just sitting down and talking to you guys, and I know you guys like those type of videos too, because you guys like feel more connected to me and you guys feel like you're with me. It's so cool. I get so many messages of people saying that they feel like they're friends with me or they're with me when they're watching my videos, and it's so cool to get messages like that from you guys, because I feel really connected to you guys too. Just the stuff you guys message me and comment, it's just the cutest, and it really makes me feel like I am friends with you guys in real life. Well, this is real life. In person, I guess you should say. Bitch, I'm so thirsty. Don't ask me why I didn't just get a cup and why I brought this big ass thing. Okay, so now I'm gonna take Cocoa from the Daisy palette, which is right here. And it's just like a cocoa dark brown shade. And I'm gonna lay that under the color we just laid down. I'm actually really excited, you guys, because I'm gonna be seeing Daisy in a couple of days. I'm actually going to Vegas with her. We're going to Vegas with Revolve. They're opening up a store in the Palms, and I'm really excited. This is gonna be like my second time going anywhere with a brand, so it's gonna be really cool. Also, I feel like I don't really go to enough events or brand trips to get to know other influencers, so it kind of sucks. I'm really excited for this. I've been to New York before with a brand, but I was actually late to the event. I literally got there when it was ending. So I only met a couple of influencers like Paige. She was the cutest. But yeah, they ended up changing the event time and I didn't realize. So I literally got there when it was ending, which was so embarrassing. After Vegas, because I think we go the 14th through the 16th, I'm gonna stay in LA for a couple of days, which is exciting because I haven't been to LA in a while. I can't even remember the last time I went to LA. I think it was for Daisy's launch party, which was, what, 3 months ago? Maybe 4 months ago? So it's been a hot minute since I've been to LA. And when I went to LA that time, I literally only stayed for a couple days. Should be a fun time. I also haven't really been traveling this year as much as I did last year. And I want to start traveling more again because I miss traveling. I really want to go to Mexico again. That's like what I'm aiming for, to go to Mexico again. I think I want to go in August. So I'm just packing that first color that I laid down to kind of blend the darker color out because you don't want it to be super harsh. You guys know the drill. I feel like everyone these days knows how to do makeup now. It's so cool. Like everyone knows how to do their eyeshadow now. It's like not rare for you to go out and see girls with bomb ass makeup. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner and I'm just going to line. I'm not gonna make a really thick line, just a really thin line, and then I'm gonna go over it with the black eyeshadow from Daisy's palette. Also, let me know if you guys want an updated apartment tour. I haven't really done much, but you know, I've gotten a little things here and there. So yeah, just let me know on that, like this video, if you guys would like to see an updated apartment tour, because I would definitely do that. I'm being so slow at getting my apartment together, you guys. It's not even funny. I've been so fucking lazy. I've tried to do apartment shopping, but I realized like everywhere I go, they don't really have what I'm looking for. So most of the things that I've found that I want for my apartment, I've found online. I'm just having bad luck with going to the store and trying to apartment shop. I'm having really bad luck trying to find what I really want. Okay, so I'm taking Matter from the Daisy's palette, from the Daisy palette, and I'm just going to lay that down. Okay, and then I'm gonna take Tide Pool, which is this color right here. It's kind of like a duochrome blue purple shade. It's so pretty, guys. When I got this palette, I was like, I have to use that color. So I'm gonna spritz my brush with the Fix Plus. This eye is just not looking the same as this eye, and I don't know what to do. I hate when that happens. Oh my god, I literally hate when that happens. It happens to me every fucking time. Okay, so the lashes I'm going to wear are the So Extra Miamis. Oh, I love these even more than Miamis, and you guys know how much I love Miamis. They have like a whole collection of just Miami lashes now, different styles of Miami lashes, and my heart, you guys, my heart. These will forever be my ride or die lashes. So now I'm gonna take my NARS Radiant foundation. I was about to say concealer again, and pat this all over my face. I'm breaking out right now, you guys, a little bit, like in this area and in this area. Bitch. Oh hell motherfucking no. I literally just had a heart attack. First of all, what the fuck was that? my power just went off and then on. My heart is literally beating so fucking fast right now. I was not expecting that to happen. I can't wait. I can't wait to look back at this footage and look at my face when that happened. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be hilarious. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever concealer. This is in the shade 30. I really wonder if that just happened to like everyone in the apartment complex, because now I'm kind of spooked. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I really don't fuck with demons, okay? I don't fuck with ghosts. That shit has me spooked. I am not the fucking one. I will move out of this place right now. I swear. If I was really getting haunted, you guys, I swear to you, I would go to the office and I would tell them straight up, like, I'm not fucking living there anymore. I'm not doing it. I would even get evidence for them and everything. I'd be like, you bitches are not about to. You guys, I keep hearing really weird noises. And I'm not fucking with it. I'm really scared right now. And I'm by myself. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier A powder. Okay, I think I need hoops. I just stopped to do my hair real quick. Now I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier Soleil No. 1 bronzer. Favorite bronzer ever, on the Makeup Shack T24 brush. I actually just started using this brush to contour and I really like it. It just gets right in there and you don't really have to use much effort to blend it out. We're trying to be snatched. Okay, and the blush I'm going to use is the Morphe Blush Trio in Trio de Blush. Oh no, Pop of Coral. I'm so stupid. Wow. I feel like a bad bitch right now. Like, honestly. Who is she? Who the fuck is she? Right here. This is the blush I always use. I need to start switching my face routine up, but it's hard, you know? Your face is just hard to switch up when you know what products work for it. And I love using this brush to put on blush because it just like gets right in there, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna do my lower lash line off camera and then I'm gonna come back, finish up the face and lips, and then we're done. What the fuck? Okay, so now I'm gonna set my face. Time for highlighter. So this has been like my all-time favorite highlighter lately. It's the Maybelline New York Master Chrome highlighter, and this is in the shade Molten Gold, and it's just so pretty. Like, you guys are gonna be shook. Actually, have I introduced this on my channel before? I don't know, I can't remember, but you guys are gonna be shook. Wow, we love her. We fucking love her. Yes, bitch. Yes, give it to me. Give it to me. I will never get tired of highlighter. Never, bitch, never. Okay, so for the lips, I'm gonna use the Tarteist lip paint in the shade Bestie. I made this side way bigger than the other side. Ah! And then I'm gonna put the Too Faced Peach Puff in the flesh on top, just in the middle of this, because I want to make it a little lighter. It smells so fucking good. When you rub your lips together, you can just taste it in your mouth. It tastes like peaches. I'm gonna put the Patrick Star lip gloss in Fashion Punch on top of this. And yeah, you guys, this is the completed look. She's ready to go slay some bitches. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you guys want more tutorials, because your girl will be back and better with that if you guys do. But if you guys don't, I'm gonna throw them in every here and there, you know, and just continue like the lifestyle wave, I guess, because I really like doing lifestyle videos. So yeah, give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.